Hey there, welcome to Pentrix Security, your trusted fortress in the realm of cyber defense. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge world of digital protection and empower you to safeguard your online presence. In this video, we are going to explore some common authentication bypass techniques and completing TryHackMe Authentication Bypass room. Let's get started the lab machine. Now connect the VPN. Let's wait until we get the IP address. Now we got the IP address. Let's check the IP address is pingable or not. We are able to ping the IP address. Let's make a simple scan with Nmap command to check the open ports. Here we can see that there is a HTTP port is open. That means there is a web server running on this IP. Let's get checked. After inspecting the website, we found a login page and sign-up page. Let's go to sign-up page and try to create an account with the common username called admin and fill the other fields with fake details. Here we got an error called username already exists. That means we can assume that the username admin is already exist. We can use the existence of this error message to produce a list of valid usernames already signed up on the system by using the FFUF tool. The FUF tool uses a list of commonly used usernames to check against for any matches. Let's understand the above command. The W argument selects the file's location on the computer that contains the list of usernames that we're going to check exists. The X argument specifies the request method. This will be a GET request by default, but it is a POST request in our example. The D argument specifies the data that we are going to send. In our example, we have the fields username, email, password, and cpassword. We've set the value of the username to fuzz. In the FFUF tool, the fuzz keyword signifies where the contents from our word list will be inserted in the request. The H argument is used for adding additional headers to the request. In this instance, we're setting the content type to the web server knows we are sending form data. The U argument specifies the URL we are making the request to. And finally, the MR argument is the text on the page we are looking for to validate we found a valid username. We got the 4 valid usernames: admin, Robert, Simon, and Steve. Let's answer the questions in TryHackMe. The first question is, what is the username starting with SI? The answer is Simon. The second question is, what is the username starting with ST? The answer is Steve. The third question is, what is the username starting with RO? The answer is Robert. We founded the usernames, now let's find out the passwords. We are still going to use the FUF tool, but now we are using it as a brute force attack on the login page. Before starting the attack, we need to create a TXT file and insert the founded valid usernames in it. In this example, we are using users.txt. Previously, we used the fuzz keyword to select where in the request the data from the word lists would be inserted. But because we're using multiple word lists, we have to specify our own fuzz keyword. In this instance, we've chosen W1 for our list of valid usernames and W2 for the list of passwords we will try. The multiple word lists are again specified with the W argument, but separated with a comma. For a positive match, we're using the FC argument to check for an HTTP status code other than 200. Here we found a password thunder for user Steve. Now let's answer the question in TryHackMe. Now we are exploiting a logic flaw vulnerability in the password reset functionality of this web application. By exploiting this flaw, we'll be able to reset the password of any user account without proper authorization. Let's exploit and reset the password for user Robert. In this example, we are using Robert at acmeitsupport.thm as email ID. And username is Robert. As we can see, it has sent a password reset link to the mail ID we entered earlier. Now intercept the web request using Burp Suite tool and inspect the vulnerability. Burp Suite is a web application security testing tool that acts as a proxy server used for intercepting, analyzing, and manipulating HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Again, go to Password Reset and fill the mail ID and username. Before hit the enter, ensure that interception is on in your Burp Suite tool. Here we can see that the mail ID sending via post request and username in the data field. If we add email parameter to this post form, we can control where the password reset email gets delivered. In this example, we are using a temporary mail to check and forward this request. Here we go. The server sent the link to temporary mail. We controlled where the password reset email gets delivered. Now create an account to receive the reset link. Fill the details as your wish, and make sure your email ID should be in username at customer.acmeitsupport.thm format. Now log out from the account. Again, go to the password reset link and fill the Robert mail and username. Make sure interception is on in Burp Suite tool. Now add the email parameter and its value with email ID you have created earlier. Forward this request. Reset link has sent to our mail ID. Let's log into our account and check the reset link. In the support ticket section, we received a reset mail. Here we got the reset link. Let's go to the link. We successfully logged in as Robert. There is a flag in the support ticket section. Let's capture the flag and submit in TryHackMe. Now we are going to test the website cookies to gain admin access. Cookie tampering is the unauthorized alteration of a website's cookies to gain access or manipulate user data. For testing purpose, there is a subdirectory called cookies-test. Let's get into it. The response showing that we are not logged in. Let's open the burp suite to intercept the request and temper the cookie. On the interception, and refresh the page. Here is the cookie header with session ID. If we add the logged in parameter with true value in the cookie header, we are able to log in without authentication. The response showing that we are logged in as a user. Now again, intercept the request and change admin parameter value from false to true in cookies header. Forward this request. No, the response showing that we are logged in as admin, and we got the flag. Let's submit the flag in TryHackMe. Let's answer the other questions. The first question is, what is the value of the MD5 hash? There is an online tool called CrackStation. We can crack weak hashes using this tool. Let's crack this hash. Copy the hash. Paste here, and verify the CAPTCHA. We cracked the hash, and here is the result. Let's submit this in TryHackMe. And the second question is, what is the base 64 decoded value of given character? Copy this value. And there is a lot of online tools to decode base 64 characters. Let's search online and decode this. Here is the decoded value of the given characters. Let's copy this and submit in TryHackMe. And the final question is, encode the following value using base 64. Copy the given value. As I said earlier, there is a lot of online tools available to encode or decode using base 64. Let's search online and encode the given value. Here is the encoded result to given value. Let's copy this and submit in TryHackMe. Yeah, buddy, we completed the TryHackMe lab. Thanks for watching the video. We always arming you with the knowledge to stay safe in the digital realm. Stay secure and stay hard.